OC Tech, they prepared me to go outside the job course to further my studies. I got AC certifications and prepared me to work at Honda. I've been at Honda 9 years now. I'm a master tech here, and I enjoy what I do.
I chose the program because of the hands-on learning style they taught, and taught with a lot of technicians and employees, and they talked about their jobs, and it really interested me. And I think the biggest thing for me was the co-op program OC Tech offered at International Paper, and I was fortunate enough to be able to co-op out here at IP and work with technicians that have been in the field for 20 years and learn the skills they have.
I chose this field because I like to be creative and analytical, and it just helps you express your creativity when you can design things. I enjoyed going to OC Tech because of it being a smaller school. It's a more personal experience. With my engineering class in particular, we're in a lab setting, so it allows you to be around people and hang out with people and really get to know them on a personal level.
We hire students from OC Tech mainly because of the great fundamentals they get working through the programs, the great reputation and the good hands-on experience they get from OC Tech.
What I like about IET is the in-depth of the electronics and the troubleshooting. It taught me the basics. I thoroughly enjoyed the instructors. They gave you all the information, and if you had any trouble, they made sure you had what you needed.
The machine tool field is an exciting field because you never know what you're going to work on. From aerospace to deep hole drilling in the ground, automotive, and medical. You could build a machine one day, and the next day you could be building a life-saving part that maybe affects you or someone in your family.
Mechatronics is a field that combines several different types of technology. It combines mechanical and electronic, hence the word mechatronics.
OC Tech actually gave me the hands-on experience that I needed. If it would have been all book work with maybe a little bit of hands-on, I wouldn't have really been able to actually work with the robots as the problems occurred. Now I can pretty much run the robots on my own. I don't need a supervisor over me. I'm able to actually do the work, and that's going to help me stay in one company long-term.
What I like about it is like it's similar to art, so I'm into art, so that's how I look at it.
If you don't mind getting sweaty and dirty, enjoying working with your hands and building things, and you like being outside, this career may be for you. There are plenty of job opportunities and plenty of demand for welders if you're willing to do the work.